at the end of course, till the end of the end, of course, for the entire session as well. We've started the recording, and now it seems that's cool. So yeah, like we are all going to be in touch for the next 1 year, and of course, you will be joining us. A lot of you would be, since you find interest in this. So yeah, so okay, this is our core team. Then okay, before we start with that, we have a simple rule book, as we say, that we decided that we should keep. That from now, there will be some things that would be followed here. Firstly, other than the normal things that you have to be, like you can't be abusive on the community or something. In the DSC, there is no barrier of age, branch, or your, what can you say, yours, right? We are all, you can address all of us as a names, like they answer as the first names or whatever, and there won't be any kind of differences on that. The secondly, any event that we ever do would be mostly open for all, other than the community only events. Like we are planning intra projects, we'll be discussing that. Alongside that, all of them would be free, and the projects that we create would be open source. So if you have a final year project and don't have an idea, you know where to steal from. So okay, so tentative events. What's on the cards? What are we planning as the DSC? Like what events that we'll be taking? So the first one would be workshops by Google experts. Like every year, we have to take some workshops. There's some mandatory workshops. Then there's some optional that we can do. Mandatory ones are the Android and Kotlin. Then there's the machine learning and cloud. Those are the mandatory workshops that we will be taking in the 3 years. Alongside that, we have people from we have some experts from graphic designing who will be willing to take UI UX workshops. Also, other than technical, we just contacted someone from SEBI, thanks to Swarangi's friend Freya, and we'll be having we should be having a finance workshop as well. So this is an overall growth thing, right? So yeah, these are the workshops that will be taken. That would be like a boot camp. I shared a link yesterday. I hope a lot of you must have signed up for it, or you must have at least thought about it, because that's something that we are also planning to do. It would be like a boot camp alongside where will be challenges, and we'll also have intra hackathon, like a campus hackathon for everybody of us. Now, okay, other than that, projects and hackathons, as we say, a developers club is nothing without projects. So if you are someone who wants to explore new technologies, you want to learn what to make, you want to make something creative, that's something that doesn't exist. Yeah, like as Vaishnavi said, the first time we are also planning UI UX in the focus. Swarangi would be explaining that also shortly. But there will be many hackathons, especially that if you are joining DSC, you are expected to be at least curious and passionate about building stuff. Right? You can of course enrich your profile. There are some other benefits as well. There are loads of opportunities if you have built projects on trending technologies, and we'll surely be helping you with all of that. Essentially, you will be coming in as a student, you'll be leaving in as a developer. All of us would be learning, right? Even we are not too great. Then a college editorial. I want to ask, is Atik here? Because we had talked about this. Atik, are you there? Anyone just please check if he's here? Like, doesn't seem to me.
Yeah, doesn't seem to me.
Okay. Cool. So if I'll just explain very shortly, like approximately 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, Atik, who you may know from electrical has people have come up, right? So if you know him, could you just raise your hands? Like, otherwise I'll have to introduce him as well, If you could just raise your hand for a second, like.
Yes, I know.
Of course, Mansi, okay, Mansi, Siddhi, Divya, okay, Zakir.
Zakir Khan OP is the best introduction for this.
Yeah, dude, he is our Zakir. Okay, a lot of people have raised their hand. Superb. That's what we wanted. So Atik is from electrical. He's a writer. He has also done content writing for a time. He's a great poet. You can check out his Instagram page. And he has a lot of things planned. So one of those things is having a community of writers together. And me, Atharva, Swarangi were all like the people who got in, without Himanshu as well. We just got in because nepotism. So what we happen to do is that there doesn't exist a platform for us college students of our college. Imagine Times of India. Like there's always news happening. There's sports, articles, blogs, photos. There's a lot of things all crushed here, right? Okay, Ashrinik doesn't know Atik. Is there a way to introduce Atharva? Like, you have?
Like, was he the one in that video or what? That intro video?
Brother, you do something amazing, he will get in touch with you.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can also do Atik का intro, but हाँ, Art Circle की movie का lead. अरे yeah, dude, if you.
Then I saw him.
Yeah, I'll tell you who that is. You know, वो जो रट्टा वाला आंसर देता है ना एग्जाम में. या वो नहीं यार, जिसने इंटरव्यू लिया.
अरे जिसने अपना कॉलेज का वो
साइलेंसर
इंस्टा पे वो ये बनाया था बुक टाइप कुछ तो इंस्टा पे वो बंदा.
And deviate from the subject for a second or what?
Ink and paper.
Yeah.
कौन?
Oh, Atik.
Yeah. Ink and paper, correct.
ink and paper.
So this guy, dude, the pink guy, no? That's Atik. If you guys.
Atik Pathan from Mirrors. I know him.
Yeah. Awesome, you do. Okay, so पता है Shainik. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Let's
move forward.
Yeah, featured article. Which year student? He is from here our batch only, right? Second year, so third year में जाएगा. Okay, so the plan is that there is no such editorial for our college. You know, it exists for big colleges. Of course, IIT वगैरह का तो होता ही है, but there's also an MIT. Both MITs, right? Massachusetts and Maharashtra, दोनों वाला. So this time we are planning to do this under the banner of our DSC. So what would be happening is that if you have any good articles, if you have done an interview or something with some senior, if you have just ideas, you know, you have pictures in and around WC campus or anything interesting, you can send it to to Atik and his team, the writers community. They would be the ones editing, curating that. And what we'll be doing is maintaining the website and probably an app that would soon be coming. So yeah, so the plan is that it would soon be working out, right? I mean, this would be helping us to build an active community, and it should also help us to have an image. क्या चल रहा है chat में? समझ में नहीं आ रहा. Featured, he's just faking. Never mind. Okay, what? Expose. देवांग देखो इनको. अरे यार क्या कर रहे हो यार श्रेनिक भाई ऐसे?
अरे यश बोल रहा है, मैं नहीं कुछ कर रहा हूँ, मैं शांत बैठा हूँ.
यश मैं बोल रहा देखो तेरा पेस वाला हरकत क्या किया ना तुझे. Okay. Coming back, so okay, finally active community as in like we'll be having a Discord server, and what we are planning to do is having lots of intra events. Like there will be weekly meetups, there will be discussions, a lot of things happening. ECEL will be having a special feature called pitches. Those who are in second year, like our batch now, they know what we did in Startup Cell. We used to have every Friday, we used to come near the library stairs and we used to discuss ideas. And a lot of them are in this meet right now. So we'll be doing that. All of this will be shifted online. Himanshu would be the perfect guy to explain. He will be doing that shortly. And the most important thing would be to network with other people. And there are other campus DSCs, right? So we can collaborate with them. We have planned lots of events, like mini events, and that would be happening within our college also, and in and around our other colleges, DSCs as well. So okay, another one. So podcasts and more. We have decided that there have to be some kind of content that is very intuitive for you guys or for all of us. With like maybe Himanshu is in touch with some entrepreneurs, I am in touch with some, and we are going to get them for podcasts. We can get them for sessions helping us out. Like we all enjoyed the WC hackathons, the final day speech, right? If all of you had joined there, if it was.
Yeah, that was quite inspiring.
Super good, loved it. So yeah, bring your ideas. Like yeah. Finally, DSC is a new club. If you have any great ideas, anything new that you want to share, this would be a perfect place to learn. It will be a perfect place to pitch your ideas, get stuff done, and like because we are just starting out, we can also help you out and we can get you a chance to lead. So because end of the day, right, everybody has to learn something, to take away something from what we are doing. Okay, and okay, why do we need the DSC? Okay, so. Like, because we had expected that a lot of you would be asking us, already there is 3 or 4 technical clubs, but we need another one. So to answer the question, we have just one slide that, we need a place where we can, we are given an opportunity to work in a team. Like we saw how hackathon teams are still in touch. We are still in a groups of a lot of them, and we've seen how great you work, and there's no way to bond other than projects, other than pitches, etc. So we needed a community that is very active, where you can exchange your ideas. Also, you'll be helping the society because that Swarangi would be explaining that. You can, of course, build meaningful bonds with your peers, other, as we said, other campuses, from your seniors, juniors, whoever would be joining us, right? And of course, you will be enriching yourself as well. And that's where we believe that it's a full-on package for all of you, for all of us, right? Okay, so बहुत मेरा आवाज सुन लिया तुमने. So अथर्व, right?
Yeah. So what is in it for me? Everyone asks this question, and the first thing that you would be getting is you would be, as Devang said earlier, you would be entering as a student, and you would be, we all will be leaving as a lead developers. We will be gaining many leadership skills as we are not maintaining any discrimination between like second years, third years, or things like that. Anyone can come up and just lead any activity if you want. You can develop soft skills over the course of year or so, whatever skills that you can catch up with in a group, working in a team. There are many new networking opportunities, as Devang also mentioned earlier. We will be in contact with other DSCs, or you will be contacted. You will be in contact with your juniors, and all the other people around our industry. So that would be great. And there will be, you would enhance your resume, and you can expand your resume more importantly. I guess that's it from my side. Over to you.
Okay, so moving to the next slide. Devang? Moving to the next slide. So you might have an idea about the benefits of joining the DSC. So look, we all know that talent wins games, but teamwork wins championship. To make your vision a bit more clear, I would like to discuss the team structure that we will be having at the DSC. Moving to the next slide. The DSC would be divided into 3 teams: the core, executive, and member team. There is no age bar or college. There is no bar of age or college here. The executive and member team would be chosen through interviews, and all the members, in addition to the department, would also be affiliated to a particular technology. Talking about the core team consists of the DSC lead and the 5 departmental heads, departmental leads. The majority responsibility of the core team are to ensure the functioning of the community and the respective department with regular activities. Coming to the executive team, every department subsection would have an executive lead. An executive lead is responsible for their role, for their position in the department, and also to manage the member board alongside the core team. Event organization and execution shall go through the execution team. Next we have the member team, and member team consists of students with passion for development and the DSC. They would be an active part of every department and be associated with any of the technical fronts. They have to be an active part of organizing and participating in DSC activities. Also, here every team member would be an active part of the community, right from engagement to bringing ideas to realizing them. Now I would like to call upon Akansha for the further session.
Deva. Okay, so looks like there are almost 100 people and nobody has left. So all of you are exciting and interested about joining DSC. So we are here with our interviews. We will soon be taking our interviews for the executive board and the member board. About the executive board and member board, Himanshu has already explained what are these. So in detail, every core member will be explaining what their board does and their responsibilities, and soon the message will be provided in every group. So be ready, and I hope to see you all there in interviews.
So what is the solution challenge? So solution challenge is basically like a hackathon, but on a global level that is organized by Google, of course, and every DSC across the globe, okay, every single DSC in each and every university takes part in the solution challenge, and they all compete to solve real world problems. Now, what are these real world problems, you must be wondering, right? So let us just take a look at the last year's projects and we'll come to it.
Developer student clubs are university-based communities where students learn about Google technology and use their skills to solve local problems. Welcome to the Developer Student Club's 2020 Solution Challenge Demo Day.
So those were all the projects that were submitted last year, and those were the top 10. Okay, these are not the only projects, of course. Devang, next slide, please. Yeah, so the technical team. So why did I mention solution challenge before technical team? So technical team will be the board that will actually code these projects. Okay, so these are all the departments that we have in the technical team. Maybe you're a web developer, app developer, or maybe you enjoy doing cloud or backend, AI, ML, cybersecurity, UI, UX. So these are the 7 domains that everybody can explore. And so probably the first years are pretty scared looking at this slide because you guys have maybe just started doing C, C++ and everything looks new. So don't worry, guys. You know, how should I put it? It's never too late to start. So, you know, DSC could be the platform where you begin your development journey. And as for the interviews, these are the 7 executive posts that you can take. And apart from this, you can always join in as a member. Next slide, please. So obviously there'll be community learning, team building, and new technologies when you work on projects together. But the main thing, so let me quote it correctly. You all must have heard the quote by APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Dreams aren't those which you see when you are asleep. Dreams are those which don't let you sleep. So something similar happens when you make projects and take part in hackathons. Your projects don't let you sleep. You want to improve the project. Every day when you wake up, you want to see development in your project. And so let's be brutally honest. Development is not all fun and games. Right, you will run into bugs, you will get stuck at places, you will feel like I can't do this anymore. But then guys, once you build that development spirit, the next day when you wake up, you will want to do it again. That's all for the technical team.
Okay, about the management team. So actually management team is like the real backbone of our club. So all the things we do is about the management team. I am the management lead. And about the structure, we have lead, which is me. And in executive team, we have two domains, the team lead and the event lead. There will be like 4 posts about one team, one lead, management lead, and other 4 team lead and event lead. Next slide, please. So like about why to join management team, why you should join management team. So about the resumes, I know every one of us, like I have done that in first year when we had nothing to write on resumes. We write like leadership skills, team player, and I have like this experience. I've been in this club and I have been this post. So about the leadership skills, if you write the leadership skills and the interviewer asks you, has happened with me. I'm telling it from my real experience. So about the leadership skills, if someone asks you like when you discovered you had the leadership skill, though, how you gonna explain that? Like how you discovered you have the great leadership skills. So you will need to give some real life examples. You have been this situation. You have handled this situation very carefully, like a leader. So it is your chance. We can give you this experience here in management team. About experience in event, it's the most important. You will learn everything about like personal experience. I have been in other clubs at great positions, and I have managed and planned other events too. So about the experience, I would like to say just one thing. Leader or the management team is the one who learns the most in any event. This team goes through every aspect of the planning. What are every corner cases? You will have to think about every corner case. Anything can happen, possibilities. So it's a great for experience. And about team player, all of you are team player. Everyone has written this in resumes. And being here, he's the great team. DSC will always be the great team. And if you write that I was in the team, DSC management team, so nobody will doubt that you are not team player. Next slide, please, Devang. Okay, so what are the responsibilities? What you will do when you will be in team. So first of all, we just a simple, you will have to organize a weekly meetups. It can be about the intra DSCs or any session, you will have to take care just about the, in online mode, you will have to take care about the links and all. But if Destiny fades and we go offline, then you will have to take care about the classrooms and all stuff. It's easy, but you will learn that, and it's like interesting. And about saying second thing, planning and executing events. As I already told, planning and executing is the most important skill you can gain in being in any club. So it's the great to learn. And about the take a follow up on assigned project. On assigned project means like it shows your leadership skills in a right manner. Like if you have given some work to anybody and the person is not responding, so how you will manage that situation, you can learn that here. Next slide, please. Okay, Himanshu.
Okay, thank you, Akansha, for that amazing information about our management department. Now, I would like to brief you all regarding something that believes in living a few years of your life like most people won't, so that you can spend the rest of your life like most people can't. Something that sparks the energy within, and something that I personally believe every student must experience, especially during their college days, the entrepreneurship cell or E-cell. So moving to the next slide, we have again the same question, why E-cell? You see, the purpose of an E-cell is to inculcate the passion and spirit among students to pursue entrepreneurship, to do something that is different from the world and could make a difference in the world. So the purpose of an E-cell, coming back to purpose of the E-cell is to bring out the entrepreneurial flair in students, to make students understand the necessary attitude and skills, to provide them with a platform which gives them a number of innovative opportunities to develop the entrepreneur within, and to connect the student enterprises from campuses to incubators, seed funding, angel investors, VCs, and etc. Moving forward to the activities that we would be conducting throughout the year. Right. So first one is Entrepreneurship 101. It is basically an entrepreneurial series of events where we come together to share knowledge of different domains of business, brainstorm on real world problems and try to come up with a solution, pitch business ideas and many more principal activities, so as to make all the members believe in their abilities and contribute towards the development of the society. Next, we have Small Shark Big. This is basically a series of talks with some of the most entrepreneurial personalities currently working towards the enhancement of the Indian startup ecosystem and learning from their experiences. Third, we have is Hit It Different. Hit It Different is basically a series of workshops that would be focusing on all the aspects of entrepreneurship and developing the young minds. And last but not the least, we will be having weekly meetups where each and every individual would be working towards enhancing their overall skills that align with the current trend in the industry, right? So these were few things about the E-cell, and we all look forward to have dynamic members in the E-cell who can actually make a difference. Thank you, people. And now I would like to call upon Atar for the further session.
Okay, after that amazing talk by Kunal Shah of WC, let's move on with the social media team. The social media team would be led by me, and there would be two executive members in the social media team. Next slide, please. So let's look forward to what are the responsibilities and work in the social media team. First of all, the social media have to maintain a good social presence of the club. We have to organize many interactive social media activities so that the online presence, the club remains active on all social media platforms. And I just saw Discord OP sometime down in the chat. So we will be organizing many open mic shows on the Discord so that it would expand and it would help our club to expand to outside world. So yeah, moving on to the next slide, I'll hand over to Vaishnavi.
So hi everybody, I'll be the creative lead, and along with the executives and the members will make the creative team. So under the creative team, we have two sections, that is design and content. So as the name suggests, The design executive will be responsible for designing the posts and the videos for the club activities, and the content executive will curate the content for the same. So we'll also be working with the social media team to implement a bunch of fun yet informative activities for our social handles. And to join the team, all you need to do is have a creative outlook. So if you're somebody who can make something like the video or the poster that we posted for the orientation, and have a little experience with the most convenient platform, that is Canva, then you can be our design executive. And for the content executive, we are looking for somebody who is expressive and loves to write, can create some fun yet relatable content, like the one which we have. Devang, can you show the meme? Yeah, so something as fun and relatable as this, and somebody who can communicate with the most precise choice of words. So this is all about the creative team, and on this note, we are open for your questions. I hope till now you have got some idea about what DSC will be.
Okay, so Gnaneshwar had a question. There was a form that we circulated.
Yeah, so I guess Devang would be the perfect person to answer Gnaneshwar's question, because even we are still figuring out, and Devang had figured it out.
Okay, Gnaneshwar, I'll just answer you with a quote. Okay, I had shared this on the updates as well. Richard Branson had once said, the Virgin Atlantic and the entire thing, right? So he said that if you feel like if someone gives you an amazing offer to do, you accept it and then learn how to do it later. Okay, so like that has been my philosophy. Like Sarangi and I always said, okay, I don't know if we can abuse you, but like the philosophy of our life is screw it, I'm doing it. Screw it, I'm doing it. So basically, if you feel like something is exciting, you take it up. Something will happen that like if you love it, you will find time for it. Every day. I still watch some 2 episodes of Suits a day. Then, as we said, there's an internship to do, this DSC now to do, and there's also clubs, a lot of things, right? But we're all passionate about it. Every time you step into it, you have to have that passion, Gnaneshwar. And I think we have also talked about this, right? Personally, also talked about this. If you get that opportunity that you're looking for, you will find time for it. That's a promise from my side. Like, so just go out there and grab opportunities. If you feel like DSC can help you, join DSC, find what you can gather, then get some projects on. If you don't feel like this project is working out for me, then look for something else. But don't stop. Like internship, club, academics, as we say, CP to, like I'm not much of a CP person now, but yeah, so then you have to do, right? But because you understand that, another thing is that you get to know of people who are doing much more than what we are doing. If it's possible, okay, we'll do that later. Like I'll just show you some profiles of people who have been from first year. They have been doing something so different, and now they are so like, now they have achieved so much in life that we should be inspired from them, and they are just college students. We just discussed 2 or 3 profiles of Vaishnav Dwivedi and Kunal Kushwaha. Okay, those 2 people that have been motivators for all of us in the core team.
Yeah, we have to do this.
Yep. Till the end, another thing for you, Gnaneshwar. Okay, next question. I'll just look for the Google form. Meanwhile, you can also post your questions here. Some of us would be answering it. Code for cause, okay, there's no questions for us. Really?
Guys, don't you have questions about how will you be joining DSC and what will be the process? Because we are looking for something out of the box, apart from just interviews.
Yeah, like the interviews won't be, let's just say they won't be what you gave at other different clubs, right? Yeah, we are.
And this might be the chance you can get in directly in the club.
Note karenge.
Yeah.
Nirmit, we are waiting for the approval actually. So once that's done, probably.
Yeah, it would be like As soon as possible. That's the
Yeah, as
perfect
soon as
answer.
possible. Yeah.
So nepotism से मिलेगा क्या? Good question.
Very good question.
Sorry, Kohai, it doesn't work here.
Yeah, it did work for all of us, but not anyone. Right. And Dick Nile, about you, from what I know about you, there are multiple places where you can apply and you stand a good chance of being shortlisted. Will there be any aptitude test? So what branch, like what department are you looking for, Kalyani? Because there's there will be different parts for different.
It depends on what team you want to join, and accordingly you will have different tasks for joining the team.
Of course, Tronics people are allowed. Yeah. Every branch is
allowed. As we said earlier,
there's
no discrimination in किस branch से, किस year से, क्या age पे.
A department as in, would you be joining the management team, the technical team, or the technical? क्या तो और क्या होता है? Sorry. So,
someone has raised the hand.
Yeah, Yash had raised his hand.
For the tech team, Kalyani is asking for the tech team.
No aptitude test as such. Honestly, most of the guys in the meet right now are first years. Okay, so even if I gave you all some aptitude test for it, it's not going to make sense for you all, right?
Right.
So no aptitude test. We're just going to see your passion for whatever you're doing. Okay,
enthusiasm matters more than knowledge.
Enthusiasm matters more. You can learn the skills. Okay, that's what DSC is for. You're here to learn. But then, if you're not interested, then that's another thing altogether.
Ravi asks, okay, first year students will be allowed to become members only or in technical teams as well. Ravi, if you are better than the people who have applied, we promise you that there won't be ye second year ka preference denge na. It's like, it's gonna be, if you're gonna be the one who's passionate enough, if you're going to be the one who's committed enough, as we see from your work, as we see from your interview, then yes, you can be in the executive team directly.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's on you that where would you be like to be joining. Okay, Shrenik asks.
You won't be denied because you're in second year. That's what we promise you.
That won't be happening. Yeah.
No pre-skills required as such, especially in the technical team at least. I'm making it clear. All we require is passion for you to learn. Right?
Also, depending on the team, like if you are looking forward to the creative team, then you need to have some creative approach towards designing and especially content writing. Or let's consider the social media team. Then we are looking for actual social media freaks who can just go crazy with our social handles.
Yeah, regarding the social media skills, just extrovert people who could,
Yeah, and for the ECEL, there's no such skills required, but you should know the knowledge of the particular post you're applying for. Suppose you're applying for the domain executive. We have a position name as domain executive. The particular person is responsible for having some idea of almost every domain in business that we'll be having, some idea. So, okay, right. So yeah, you should be having that. It's not a skill as such, but you should be having the knowledge of any particular domain. So yeah, and yeah, we will be informing when we will be releasing all the interviews stuff now. The notification there, so we'll be mentioning.
We'll make sure we mention what skills we are expecting from you before the interview.
Yeah, right.
And one more question, as you said about your cyber security, app development, and various stuff, technical stuff. How are you planning about it? How is your approach regarding all these things?
For the technical executives, we will look for people who do knows related technologies. Okay, so it's obvious, if someone who doesn't know web development can't really be a lead for it, right? So only for the executives, there will be criteria to see how much you know about it.
In the technical team, because the technical team has loads to do. Like they will be moderating the projects. They will be the ones who will be probably judging the hackathons, right? So we are expecting that. In fact, passion does matter, but more than that, it's that. So other than that, did we fail to mention the technical flair wala thing, guys? Okay. So one more thing that we wanted to address is that, say if you're joining the team of social media. Or if I'm of this team, all of us would be of of different management team, social media team, any team, but we would be having one thing in common, that all of us will be associated to one technology. Anything of the 7 that Swarangi has addressed, all of us would be a part of one of them. Of course, we can get it changed, but the thing is that there has to be a certain amount of commitment that we have towards one technology, because if there are going to be projects, say a lot of projects come which need websites, right? So we expect that a lot of you are curious about web development. Even if you're from whatever team, if you are excited to learn about it, you can join us. Also, for the first time, there's UI UX as well. So if any of you who feels that designing is for them, we got you covered, right? So all of us, it's not about just the technical side. It's like everybody is associated with technical. Other teams are to supplement that, right? All of us would be there in the technical team in any way, shape or form.
The motto is to gain technical knowledge and develop technical skills, and then the other things are also there as a side thing.
Building cool projects is the DSC thing. That is the main thing.
Yeah, that's for sure. That we can promise you. You would be getting many more cool projects from here. You would be building them.
Okay, guys, let's take the question from the Google form. Okay, so I'll be reading out questions. Atharva asks, what are the perks of joining this GDSC?
Okay. Okay. Other than whatever we mentioned, you have that Goa summit that we sent a video about. Like, I guess a certain number of people from our DSC are allowed to go to the summit. We can nominate. Other than that, there are certain swags that you get as a part of the community. You're listed. You get a certificate kind of thing from Google itself that you have been serving them as a developer. Your projects are listed on the Google's app scripts or something website that they do have. You're essentially recognized among the DSC community. Blockchain develop. Okay, let's complete this first. So then there's also merchandise that you get, like the top performers of a particular community. DSC is supposed to reward them with merchandise and swags that Google has. So yeah, you can wear that all you want, rishte ke time, whatever times that you want to, and it would be a great thing, Athar. So yeah. Karan asks about blockchain. Swarangi, do you have any ideas about it? Like, audible?
Yeah, I forgot I'm on mute. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. So as such, though, we haven't kept any specific for blockchain because it's a little complicated even for our years. Like right now, there was this hackathon, right? Devang, you were going to take part in? Remember?
Yep, Solana.
Yeah, Solana. So even we gave up on it because it's a little complex for
but we can promise that we will direct you towards the right direction.
Yeah, we will direct you to resources where you can learn. That's for sure. Yeah.
And if you find more people who are excited or interested about blockchain, then we can probably start another.
We can increase the executives. Yeah.
It's flexible, and Karan, if you are that if you are that passionate enough, then you can also be the executive for this because you got the idea. Right?
You can lead the blockchain team also.
Yeah, of course, uske liye seekhna hai teko. And yeah, so it's good. It's sponsored by Tanmay Bhatt as well. So how to join? Okay, Yash asks a good question. What management team, technical team, social media, creative? What are we talking about? Yes. Okay.
Must be typing.
Yeah, of course. Himanshu, could you take another question till then?
Sure.
He hasn't got yet.
So Vishal Mali from Electrical, he asks, I don't know much about coding. Still, will it be beneficial for me?
Yeah, that's the very reason you should be joining, right? In fact, if you don't know much about coding, this is where you can start learning more.
Yeah, dude. And being a member in any of the departments, you'll be responsible to learn. It's all about do you want to. Yeah, dude. And I would suggest ECEL would be for you because if you are, if you don't like coding or something, then Himanshu will be like, yele kaam.
Okay, so Pratibha from Electrical, she's asking, is it a club limited for a college or global? How is it beneficial for us?
Okay, just a second.
I guess we have mentioned this.
Yeah, we did. Like a lot of things in the question.
Yeah, there are questions that have been covered.
Yeah. One question that I want to look at is, let's see who is, Ayush has asked this, is JavaScript required to learn Django? It's a technical question. I'll just show you a website that we created approximately a year ago. So this website, I know of all of you must have at least seen it. So it in its source code, it has payment gateway, it has authentication and all of it. But the beauty of this project is there is no single line of JavaScript inside it. Okay, it's all HTML, CSS, and Django behind it. Django requires you to learn something called Python. Yeah, you must have heard about it. So what you require is if you know to learn Django or any other backend language, it's not related to JavaScript unless it's Node. Okay. So Shrenik asks, what are you guys looking for in new joiners rather than passion? Okay. Anybody who's looking for anything like Akanksha, Vesh, you guys have been.
According to the team you join, there will be a set of questions that you need to answer in the application form and also in the interview. So with the creative team, you might get, you will have to design something like a poster or maybe a video, just, to showcase your skills. And even if you are, you don't know much about it, Canva is your thing. You can just learn it while you are designing. It's so convenient. And with this, I would like to take a question that XD asks from CSE, which we all know would be Damlat Rao. And his question is, any meme position? So, dude, the creative team is for you.
Yep. And
we also have a very interesting question. There's someone who asks how to form GDSC at another college.
Yeah. Okay. As for all of
that guy has actually joined the meet. He's here, I think.
Okay, is he here? We won't reveal the name. आपको दी सामने आज.
कौन? अच्छा है क्या वो?
He's not from our college. That's the reason.
Achha, is he there in the meet? Because I was ready to explain
Yeah, he's here. Just explain him now. How did we get to the application and stuff?
Just a second. So they approximately in April, you can look at this. Okay, sorry, I pasted it twice here. So if you go to this link, you will find that this is the main page of the Google Developer Leads. So if this is the starting date, these are the application deadlines. So it ended on 11th of May. This was when I applied. So it starts in April, start of April every year. This is where all of these countries are applying. So this is what you do here. Being you have to start a club, you host a workshop, etc., etc. There's nothing such a criteria to become. Like anybody can be. Like if there was a criteria, I would be there. So like, but the plan is that then there is a particular 3 essays that you have to write regarding how how good you are, how would you be a good member of the team, etc. Then like there are questions regarding, have you done some leadership skills before? Then do you have something that can give back to the community? These are the kind of questions that you have to answer there. Then they also look at your profile. So if you are planning this for your college, if you are looking for someone who's doing that, tell them to enrich their profile on LinkedIn, Twitter. They ask for literally anything. They ask for your portfolio website as well. So yeah, if you are looking for that stuff, it would be great if you enrich all of that. Alongside that, then there's an interview where they actually screen you regarding, is this data correct about you? What have you planned? They want to see if you can actually tell them about it, because see, even if you don't understand someone's technical abilities, you can understand someone's passion, right, for something. So if you are doing that, then I would suggest this would be great. And after all of this, approximately in September or in July, you will get a mail regarding that you have been selected as the DSC lead for your college. And after that, the journey begins. So yeah, very short, but I guess it would be enough. Just bookmark that link. That link doesn't change any year. So yeah. Why isn't there one person in lead from all branches of college to keep the playground even? Okay, so it is an even playground because the fact remains that there were only so many people that we were in touch about, and the people who have been selected in their particular positions are great in their fields, which is why it's even, right? And because there is no branch discrimination, doing that would be showing that there is branch discrimination.
Yeah, so we believe in skill discrimination than branch discrimination.
And I mean, which is why, of course. So, but more than that,
even these positions are like not really fixed. Ki this is the creative lead, and all the people that we are taking, that's also not gonna be restricted.
And because once the first year from when you guys become seniors, as current first year students, there will be more positions, right? So there will be promotions, demotions.
And guys, after all, we are all working towards a goal, and the positions, there's no one working under or over anybody. Okay, we're all working together. There are just people assigned to make sure a particular task is completed. So those are the executives, lead, and stuff like that. So it's just for the saying, and we will be working together, obviously.
Yep.
Yeah, the branch lead thing, maybe it will lead to bifurcation in otherwise not beneficial now.
And it doesn't fall in the rule book, no? Because if you are taking someone, so you have to choose like, this has to be from this particular branch only, he has to be the best in that branch. If I have an option to take from the entire college, why shouldn't I do that? Right? Yeah, I hope that answers your question. Where are you from? Nyaneshwar bhai, usko DM kar de, main number bechta hu uska, theek hai?
So we have a question from Rutuja from IT. She says that will there be sessions conducted by experts for guidance? So yes, obviously, and since the DSC community is large and spread all over the all over India, so we can have people from other colleges as well, and people. There are domains in which we might not find guidance from our college also. So, we can have collaboration with other DSCs and just to make most of it.
Okay. So, other than that, any other questions, guys? Like क्या करने वाले हो, क्या मैं खुद एक fit हूँ क्या इस चीज के लिए? Like anybody has any kind of questions? Otherwise, we can do we wanted to show the profiles of these people, right? Nyaneshwar ka, if you guys are also interested, otherwise I'll show Nyaneshwar on a personal meet if that's fine. So, like these are some people that we believe that have achieved a lot in their college lives, So
we have something from Sudesh. Guys, we have something from Sudesh. Let's have resume roast episodes for juniors to build resume.
We'll definitely take a note of your idea.
Yeah, pretty good idea. And I hope nobody takes it personally if we have it, obviously.
If we end up doing it, definitely yours will be first, buddy.
Yeah,
There is a certain level of the roast, obviously.
Of course.
अपने को AI भी नहीं बनाना है बस.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Are there any more questions, or I will wrap this up?
Yeah.
If you take personally leave the meet, who are we talking about? Acha, okay.
Okay, guys. Let's do one thing. Let's end it now. Kuch rahega. You can DM us anytime, any one of us, and we'll have a good talk over there. And let's not go further. It's 2 hours.
Absolutely.
This has lasted more than expected, I guess.
There's one exciting question. Shrenik is asking about, will he be selected?
Okay, Shrenik, apply. I would suggest apply for 2 or 3 departments. There's no restriction, right? So, and from what I know about you, you do stand a great chance of joining the community, and you would be a great member if you do, right? So just apply. Let's see what happens. Yeah.
When will it start? Soon, Yash.
As soon as possible, buddy.
As soon as this month ends, like before this month ends, because like our faculty advisor is on a vacation now, which is why he told us get the people excited.
How the WC official works.
Right. And yes, we are as eager to start this thing as you guys are.
Yes,
right?
exactly.
Absolutely.
That's why we're like organizing this heads up meet and all.
Right.
Yep. Okay, so
yeah, let's end it, I guess.
Yeah, so thank you for joining, guys, and we hope that we were able to create some excitement, and we are able to give you some idea of what things are going to be there, and we hope that you would support us and you would be eager to join in as the community begins and as things start to unfold a lot of events, right? So yeah, Nyaneshwar, about the things that we discussed, I'll DM you maybe sometime and we'll just talk about it. Yeah. Yeah. So goodbye, guys. We'll see you. Bye. Yes.
Thanks for joining, guys.
Bye.